Now, I know some of you are thinking, okay, but Andrew, you don't do my style of dance. You know, you don't do West Coast swing, or you don't do ballet, or you don't do tango, or something like that. And while I would agree, like I would never claim to be a champion in any of those dances, right? I am a champion Lindy Hopper, and I'm not saying I'm the greatest dancer in the world. I won a few contests, no big deal. All I'm saying is that has put me in a position to then hang out with the top hustle dancers, the top West Coast swing dancers, blues dancers, Lindy Hoppers, you know, pretty much every dance under the sun, even Finnish, what was it? Finnish tango and yanka and all these other dances that you probably never even heard of. I've worked with some of the best in the world in those dances. And I'm always looking for what are the fundamentals of dance that that are important for every single dance form, right? So when I'm learning a new dance form, I'm looking at all the fundamentals that I already teach, and I'm looking at how do they fit in this dance form, and I'm talking to those top-notch instructors, sharing my ideas with them, and having them give me feedback and saying, no, 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 that doesn't work here. You need to adjust this. And I'm constantly adjusting things so that they're more and more universal and can help you in every single dance form. And the cool thing about this is, I'm sure you know, as a dancer or a teacher, you know that fundamentals are key to dance. And really what I'm giving you are what we would call the fundamentals of the fundamentals, you know? Like if you think about your musicality, like some people learn fundamentals of musicality that are really just fundamentals of their dance form, right? Like in Lindy Hop, I learned AABA structure. And that's brilliant to know, but it's not a fundamental of musicality. It's one style of music that it's good for me to know, but there's fundamentals like phrasing that happen in every style of dance. And if I understand that, I can understand music and I can dance to anything. And the cool thing is that even in my dance genre of Lindy Hop, there's not just songs that are AABA. There's other songs that follow different structures. And by instead of focusing on AABA and focusing on like what I would call a universal fundamental, but like phrasing, then I can dance to any songs within my genre, as well as a whole bunch of songs in other genres. So this kind of universal fundamental will help you no matter what dance form you are in. Okay, and if you don't see how it helps your dance form, shoot me an email or add a question in the little feedback bar, the orange feedback bar on the right side of any page, and just ask a question and I'll tell you how it fits into your dance form. And if I don't know, I'll ask someone in your dance form. I'll go to one of the top dancers in your dance form that's a friend of mine, and I'll ask them, hey, what do you think about this? So just because I don't do your dance doesn't mean this isn't going to be extremely helpful for you in your dance form.